Sweetie Love family, welcome back to another video. So on the menu today, my darlings, my honey bunches of oats. On the menu today, I'm gonna do some zucchini noodles, and as you can see, I'm looking for my little Juliana peel to show you how I got it. So as I was saying, my Sweetie Love fans, I'm going to do some zucchini noodles with some turmeric shrimp. So this is a stir fry. So here you have your noodles. Look at it. Oh my gosh. It looks so delicious and yummy, and it's not even cooked as yet. So how I arrive with these little strips, I have a Juliana peel, and this is what I use to arrive with those strips. So I have a video showing you how I do it. So I'll list it in the description box down below, and if you want me to do a presentation showing you how I get it just by itself, I'll go ahead and do it. So let's move along. So we have some shrimp over here, and these are some medium shrimp that is already deveined and washed. So I just take out the vein from here and all those, that stuff that was right here. I take it out. I drizzle some olive oil on it. And as I stated to you before, this recipe is a turmeric shrimp with zucchini noodles. So here I have some turmeric, and I have some herbs and spices, which includes garlic powder, onion powder, Italian season, and complete seasoning, and of course our turmeric. So as I stated before, the shrimp is already washed and deveined, so I'm just going ahead and sprinkle all of my ingredients. Alright, so our shrimp is already seasoned. For TV purposes, we're just gonna switch, and I'll be right back. Alright, Sweetie Love fans. So now, ta-da! So now we have our pot ready, and this is for the shrimp. So I'm going to saute the shrimp first. So here I already have some garlic that I minced. So I'm going to use half of this in the shrimp saute, and I'm going to leave the next half for our noodles. So I'm just going to take half of this, and I'm going to put it there. I'm going to turn on my flame on low because I don't want it to burn. And I'm just going to saute. And thank you. That's my camera lady. She's assisting me. Thanks. And here I have some organic vegan butter. So I'm going to put a little on it. That's going to zhuzh it up so much. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to put that in there as well. I got to cut with my butter. Now I'm going to turn up my flame because I don't want any water to absorb with the shrimp. I turn it down because I don't want the garlic to burn. I want it to infuse in the oil. So now that we have that all situated, thank you, my assistant. Oh, she's enjoying doing it. Okay, let's see if we can do it together. So she's doing that. I'm gonna pour my shrimp that I already seasoned into it. This looks so good. Oh my God. So look at it, looking so good. So I'm just going to saute this for a minute. I'm just going to space them out because I want to cook on each side. Remember, I don't want any water in it. I don't want it to sweat. Let's use the correct term. I don't want it to sweat. Sweetie Love doesn't want it to sweat. So I'm just going to let it stay like this and let it infuse with the olive oil and the vegan butter. Ooh, you could smell I wish you guys could smell the aroma coming from the shrimp with that delicious turmeric. So I'm going to just take my time and just flip them over. Alright, Sweetie Love fan, as you can see, our shrimp is finished. So I'm going to switch our pot and we're going to set up for the noodles. And then I'm just going to incorporate everything together. So stick around and I'll be right back. Alright, Sweetie Love family. So the next step is we're going to make the zucchini noodles. So as you can see, well, that's not a sprinkle. I put some olive oil, extra virgin olive oil in the pot. Our stove is on 3, and I don't know, this is my new thing. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of my plant-based butter with the oil. I don't know, it just gives it a different taste and a different flavor. Oh, look at that. So, look at that. You hear the sizzling sound, and then I'm going to put some of my garlic in it. So I'm going to season my zucchini because the thing with vegetable, you don't want it to be plain. So I'm just going to incorporate the oil with the butter and the garlic and let it infuse in it. Oh my gosh. I'm telling you, this meal is to die for. It is so good. Some Italian seasoning, and I'm just going to combine everything together, and we're not done yet. And then we're just going to mix this one up. You should smell that turmeric, and you know there's a lot of health benefit with turmeric. They have a whole list. And my assistant, which is my daughter's friend, makes your blood richer. So what I would do, I'll list everything in the description box. Oh, I'm ahead of myself. So what I'm doing now, I just put 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce in it. And this is the vegan, sodium-free oyster sauce. And I'm just going to turn back my flame because I don't want it burned. Look at it. It looks so good. Oh, Lord have mercy. Girl, you're so silly. Look at it. Oh my gosh. Okay. Alright. So the next step is we're going to add our noodles in it. And these are my zucchini noodles. Look at that. So nice and fluffy. Look at that. Let's have some fun while we cook. Look at it. It looks so good. And remember, this is not going to cook too long. It's like 1-2 stir it, because as soon as it starts sweating, it's gonna shrink, and you want to have that crunchy taste. So, where's my spoon? So, I'm just going to, let's put this in slow motion. Okay, look at it. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. Look at the color. And if you want to add some more turmeric to it, you could go ahead. I think this is just right for what I'm doing and what I'm going for. So I'm just going to continue to incorporate the seasoning with the zucchini noodles. So that's it for now. You will see me on the other side for the presentation. Peace. Alright, sweetie love family. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Press that notification bell so whenever I upload amazing video like this one that we both get to experience and learn together. If you don't already subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it very much. And that's it for now. This is your girl, Sweetie Love New York. Peace.